Now, when it comes to making the Jamaica Premier League playoffs, Arnett Gardens are no strangers. The junglists are ever present in punching their ticket. But this season, many had their doubts that the former champions would have made it to the final six.
When coach Xavier Gilbert walked through the gates of Arnett Gardens, not everyone said aye. That's because the interim Reggae Girls head coach was seen as a gaffer for the fairer sex. Coupled with that, big-name players were already heading out of the club to supposedly greener pastures. But Gilbert has managed to get them into the playoffs, where they'll play Portmore United for a place in the Final Four.
Yeah, it's good, and I'm happy to be in the playoff with Arnett Garden in my first season. The support has been good from the club perspective, from administration, and it makes my job a lot easier. It's a tough place to coach sometimes, but we have to understand as coaches that the people are passionate. This is their joy, you know. One of probably the only joy for some of them in the community, and they are very passionate about it, and they're going to express themselves.
In their two encounters with Portmore United, Arnett had scored just once, but in Kaheem Dixon, they have a man who knows how to find the net.
No, it would mean a joy to know that I can get 2 goals or one to carry my team into the semi-final to play against Cavaliers. So, you know, it would be a big thumbs up for me and the community and also my teammates.
And if Dixon cannot get them, then there is Fabian Reid. The veteran knows how important a match like this can be.
Yeah, we wanted the semi-final from the first leg. You know, even though we now take Portmore as a light team, you know, but you know, I think we're due now. I think it's time now. You understand? Because we have a lot of people depending on we. It's 2 seasons back or failing, but this season we cannot do that because I'm always telling the guys, come, the community need this one. Evo self need it, so we have to put in this one. This one is it now.
Marlon Martin is no stranger to the playoffs, having played in the semi-finals last season, and he knows he has to be on his A game.
The role is the engine room defensive midfielder. Yeah, I want to be that person in the midfield that help out my team to win, and hopefully we go to the final and get the trophy.
The Premier League playoffs take place on Monday at Sabina Park, with Arnett taking on Portmore United at 7:30 p.m, 2 hours after Waterhouse play Tivoli Gardens.